Hey guys, welcome for Java for Beginners part 6. This video will be regarding about float and double, regarding about double. I mean, before previous video I show how to actually use the Java bytes, sort, integer, etc. But now I'll be show you how to use double in Java and what is the double. So little bit description, let you know guys what is a double. So double is a double is a variable. Also double variable used to be the floating point of the values. Example, at the floating part of the value is 1, like example 2.7 or 11.2 or 10.1. Let's show you guys how is actually work in the real life. So example, if I go to the double, okay, there is a class, so I'm gonna copy like before, just save some time. So okay, new class, Java class. So now if I said double data type, so double is also data type, primitive data type. So class done. So now example, there's already have the int which I copy paste. So if I say int point 10 and I want run this, or it's less number, I don't run big number, less number, okay, and run this, then what happened? Let's see. Okay, they say it from double to int. I mean, this sounds like you say int, but is a double. Okay, double means there's a double digit, or the double means after some digit I have point some value or 00. So now, so let me do it. How is it actually work? So double represent 1.10, 20.11 or 13.1. This kind of number is called in Java double. So example, if I say number, if I say here double number equal 10,000. Am I right? So if I print it, what is happening? So it's it. Okay, I didn't close this statement. Okay, guys, sorry. If I run it, you see. So the figure they just excuse as a, like, this is the point they make, like consumption. Okay, you put the 10,000, which is basically 10.1 value. So this is called double. So if I point over here 20, am I right? Let's see what happened. Yes, something like that before. So the double is the supposition for holding 15 decimal digit. 15 decimal digit. Example, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it's taking. So if I say this and run again, yes. So now it's holding 15 decimal digit until size 8 byte. Okay, size 8 byte. Example, we can do over here. Like example, we can do minus 429377 some number 37.9, and we want decimal number. Okay, so if I run this, so you'll be get the conjunction total number over here, which is the printout there. So this is that's it. This is a double, how double work. So next video I will show you about float. I mean, we're not going to use the double, float, or byte very often. Just we're going to use more about integer, long, for the float. I think so. So that's those kind of things. But still, we need to know what's called double, what's called float. The next video I will show you what is the float. Feel free to ask question in my video if you have any question.